Mac White Time.
Hi everyone, so today we're gonna make waffles with a big twist on them, and we're gonna put chocolates, and those chocolates would be Hershey's. Definitely you guys can put your chocolates, whatever you have, inside the fridge. Anyways, I'm Mac's mother, I'm Rachel. Okay, so let's get started. What do we need here is 2 cups of flour. We also need 1 egg. And we need 1 1/2 cups of evaporated milk. Of course, you can use your own milk, whatever milk you have inside your fridge. Or if you don't have any milk at all, you can use water as well. If you're going to use water, you need to add a little bit of sugar on that. And we also need butter. It's 1 teaspoon of butter. We also have 1/2 cup of brown sugar. So if you guys are going to use white sugar, definitely that's okay. But because we are using 1/2 cup of brown sugar. So if you're going to use white sugar, you can put 1/3 instead, because that one is much sweeter than the brown sugar. We also have chocolate here. Yay! This is Hershey's chocolate. Yeah, he likes it so much. And we have baking powder. Okay, we have an empty bowl with a whisk. And what is that, Mac? We also have like a brush thing. Even a spoon. This like pink brush is for the waffle maker, because we need to put some oil in it. Some oil on it. And we also have food coloring right here, because we're going to make a very colorful waffle today. Are you making a smiley face with that one? No, it's a different one. Okay, so let's get started. The next step would be mixing all the dry ingredients except for the chocolate chunks. So we're going to mix the flour. Careful, Matt. You like what you're doing? Oh my. Try it again. So kids should be careful when putting all the flour and all the ingredients. That's okay. Whenever you're making waffles, please note that there should be adults beside you. And Mac is mixing it right now. We need to keep our workspace or kitchen space clean. We're going to put the milk. We use evaporated milk, but definitely you guys can use your milk inside your fridge. If you don't have milk at all, you can definitely put water, but you can add up a little bit of sugar on it. The milk smells yummy. It's okay. And Mac has to mix it. It shouldn't be mixed thoroughly. Wow! Wow! Look at this! Oh my! Yeah. Wow! Mix it carefully. Mac is doing a great job here, right, Mac? And his face is itchy. Make sure, kids, that you wash your hands always whenever you're doing these things. Definitely, I'm gonna help you. Oh wow! He spilled something on the table, but that's okay. Okay, let's try it. Oh, that's okay. Don't worry about it. So if you guys are all tired mixing all this, just ask your mom, your dad, an adult to mix for you. They'll be so happy as to stick with it. And especially, who hates waffle? Everyone loves waffle, right, Mac? You like dancing? How are you dancing? Like a woodley noodle. And be sure to wear your apron as well, so your shirt wouldn't be dirty. Right, Mac? Wow! 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 It looks like chicken! It looks like chicken. That's what he said. How come it looks like chicken? Because of this? Yeah, it looks like chicken. And this is the stick it looks like! Okay, so we're gonna mix it until it's soft. Little bit of lumps. Wow.
You can support our channel as well by liking and subscribing to our channel. That would be great, and thanks for your help and support as well.
How do I wait? Now he's bursting. Are you full? No. That's why we're making waffles, because he's hungry. Right, Mac? Are you hungry? I'm a little bit full. Oh, he's a little bit full. So everyone, I'm doing right here. It's hard to mix, but that's fine. But these are waffles, not pancakes. That white dismal thing is pancake. That's called waffle. Oh. Waffle maker. Pancake is the one in the pan. But if you guys don't have any waffle maker, definitely you can use the pan inside in your kitchen. You don't have to buy a waffle maker. Hi everyone, so we're done mixing. What's gonna happen next is we're we're going to put some mixture on these 3 bowls right here because we're going to add food coloring as well to make the color delightful. Ooh! So now we have 4 bowls. Right now, we have 4 bowls now. Yes. So we're going to work with 4 bowls right now. And we have 3 food coloring right here. We only have 3 because the other one would be the original color of the waffle. So we have what to do is what do we have there, Matt? We have yellow. Oh, I thought it's orange. Isn't it orange? Look at this. It's yellow. Sorry, my bad. So we have yellow and blue and red. So let's work it out. So Matt, what's gonna happen is we need to put 2 drops of food coloring here. You guys can definitely put drops as many as you want, but not too much because it's not good. Is it yellow now, Mac? Or still no? Still not yellow. So I added 3 again. So in total I added 8. Right? Is it 8, Mac? 3 plus 3 plus 2. How many? 3 plus 3. How many is that? 3 plus 3 plus 2. How many is that? 8. How many is it? 8. So maybe it's right. And this is the red one. See the color right there? Oh wow, it's colored pink. Wow, that's so amazing. You want to mix? No? It looks like yogurt. Yeah, I'm sorry. It looks like yogurt. It looks like a strawberry yogurt, right, Matt? Yeah. Oh, wow. Wow. This is so awesome. What, Turbo? Yeah. It's Turbo color blue. Turbo is a kid's story, guys. You should watch it. It's very good. We like it so much. We watched it for 15 times already or more. So Mac is having fun coloring the blue mixture over there. Wow. So I'm gonna put away all this food coloring. Okay, so it's already on. We're just gonna wait for a few seconds so we can put the oil. We're gonna need a brush and the butter. So let's wait for a couple of minutes, or seconds. Let's wait for a couple of seconds, and then we're gonna put the butter on this waffle maker. Matt, can you help me out? Say baby. So whenever you're operating this and making waffles with a waffle maker or cooking with a pan, please share that you have an adult, your mom, your dad, or anyone who's an adult to help you out with this kind of things because these are very dangerous and you need supervision. I don't see because I don't think that one has like, here's the brush. I can do it? Yes, we're just gonna put this. Baby, you know what you do. I thought that was green. That looks like green. Oh, it looks like green. Yeah, it looks like green. How did I make green? Oh my! We're gonna have the red one. Hi, baby. So that's you're waiting for it to get cooked. If you see, it's gonna take a while, like 2-3 minutes or so. Oh my god, it's not so good. It's not so good, right? Yeah. Be sure not to touch any of the sides. You only touch this part. Don't touch this part right here because it's very hot. So you only touch this. Oh, yeah. And make sure there's an adult behind you. Ow! Sorry. That's using this when I touch this. Ow! So you guys, when you're using this, there's gonna be smoke out of it. It means that it's still cooking. It's not cooked yet, and it's still... Wow! I see the web! I see everything. Smells good! Oh, we forgot to put the chocolate! Oh yeah. Wait, guys, it's not too late. We're gonna put the chocolate. You have to mix it. Have to mix it. Like this? Wait, the other one. Wait 1 second, I have to get the rest of the spoon. So we have the chocolate. We forgot the chocolate. Now we're adding it in. And Max is actually mixing that. I guess we can use the I think you don't see the smoke, but there's smoke coming out of it on the side. It's just not visible in our camera, but there's smoke coming out. So it means that it's still cooking and not cooked yet. So you don't open the waffle maker until it's cooked, until the